You really should have seen this yard before we took it over. Right now, it's a beautiful, flat, well done, perfect grass, professionally done, sodded yard by blue collar scholars. We completely filled this hill here. This is called Vinca minor, perfect for erosion control. Can handle the shade, can handle the sun, and it spreads out, so helps prevent weeds. But let me tell you, before, the line was probably about right here, so he barely had a backyard. This was all just a very steep mountain. We came in with geo-engineered soil, very specific soil. You cannot use topsoil. You can't just use clay soil. It's geotechnical soil that is approved for these grading jobs. And we regraded this entire backyard without a retaining wall. And we love doing it. The client is super happy. Love it.